What if I told you that one of the methods we're about to reveal could change your financial life forever? In this part, we're not just exploring ideas, we're unveiling secrets that the most successful entrepreneurs seldom share. So, stay with us until the end. Among these ideas might be the key to unlocking your financial independence. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your business grows even as you sleep. That reality is about to be revealed. Welcome back to our exciting exploration of automated business ideas that promise not just financial gains, but the freedom and flexibility you've always dreamed of. In part 1, we unveiled powerful strategies from index funds to stock investments. Now, we're set to delve even deeper. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend you do. It's filled with valuable information that could be the first step towards changing your financial landscape. Click the link to discover these empowering ideas. Whether you're looking for a new venture or to diversify your income sources, part 1 is an essential watch. Now, let's delve into a realm where your passion meets profit, affiliate marketing. This powerful tool enables you to earn income by promoting products or services you believe in. Imagine connecting people with products that could enhance their lives and earning a commission in the process. Affiliate marketing isn't just about making sales, it's about trust and authenticity. It's choosing products that resonate with you and your audience. Whether it's a life-changing book, a helpful software tool, or a health supplement, it's about making genuine recommendations. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its versatility. You can integrate it into a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even your social media platforms. The key is to create engaging content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links, making it a seamless experience for your audience. And the best part, you don't need a huge following to start. It's about building a community that trusts your opinions and recommendations. As your audience grows, so does your potential to earn passive income, turning your passion into a sustainable business. If you've ever dreamt of monetizing your passion or hobby, affiliate marketing could be the perfect start. It's about helping others while helping yourself, a harmonious balance of service and earning. Take that first step, explore the products you love, and share them with the world. Your journey in affiliate marketing could start today. Imagine creating a space where your knowledge, skills, or passions bring people together. This is the essence of membership websites. Platforms where exclusive content meets eager audiences. It's about building a community that values what you have to offer. Membership sites can be as diverse as your imagination, from offering educational courses, curating fitness routines, to creating a hub for hobby enthusiasts. Your site can cater to specific interests and needs, providing a unique value that members are happy to pay for. The beauty of this model lies in its reciprocal nature. You provide valuable content, be it videos, articles, webinars, or downloadable resources, and in return, you gain a steady stream of income through subscriptions. It's a fulfilling cycle of giving and receiving. And don't worry about the technical side. There are numerous user-friendly platforms that make setting up and managing your membership site straightforward. Your focus can remain on creating content that resonates and engages your members. If you have expertise or a passion you're eager to share, consider starting a membership website. It's more than just an income stream. It's about creating a community around shared interests and growing together. Your unique voice could be the catalyst for a thriving online community. Begin your journey today and watch how your passion can unite and inspire others. In the digital age, knowledge is not just power, it's a pathway to connect and empower others. This is the heart of creating online courses. Whether you're an expert in a particular field, a skilled hobbyist, or have unique insights to share, your knowledge can be a beacon for learners worldwide. Online courses can cover an array of topics from programming and design to cooking and mindfulness. The beauty lies in sharing something you're passionate about. It's about transforming your expertise into a journey of learning for others, and in doing so, creating a valuable income stream for yourself. Creating your course doesn't have to be daunting. It's a process of breaking down your knowledge into digestible, engaging modules. With today's technology, you can film from your home, edit with accessible tools, and reach learners through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. And the impact, it goes beyond income. It's about the satisfaction of seeing your knowledge make a real difference in people's lives. From career advancements to personal breakthroughs, your course can be a catalyst for change. If you've ever considered sharing your knowledge with the world, now is the time. Your unique experiences and insights are invaluable. Creating an online course is not just an opportunity to earn, it's an opportunity to inspire, educate, and connect. Start your journey today and watch as your knowledge becomes a legacy of learning. Before we part ways today, I have a small but significant request. If you found value in our journey together, exploring these innovative paths to financial freedom and personal fulfillment, I invite you to become a part of our growing community. Simply click on the subscribe button below. It's a small action that makes a world of difference. It ensures that you're always connected with us, continually receiving insights and inspiration that could transform your life. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new content full of valuable information and ideas that resonate with your goals and dreams. It's more than just a subscription, it's joining a community of like-minded individuals on a journey to growth and success. Your engagement means the world to us. It's your curiosity, your passion for growth, and your eagerness to explore new possibilities that drive us to keep creating content that matters. So, subscribe, activate the notifications, and let's continue this journey together. Thank you for your support, and we can't wait to share more with you soon. In a world where individual expression is valued more than ever, print-on-demand stands out as a uniquely personal business model. It's about bringing your creative ideas to life, whether it's through art, inspirational quotes, or custom designs, and sharing them with the world without the need for a massive inventory or upfront investment. Imagine this: your art, your designs on products loved by people globally. The process is straightforward and accessible. You create the designs and the print-on-demand service handles the rest. From printing to shipping, it's a seamless way to turn your creativity into commerce. This isn't just about selling products, it's about connecting with others through your art. Each item you create is a piece of yourself, a story told through design. And when someone chooses your design, it's not just a purchase, it's a shared connection, a moment of understanding. And the best part? The joy you feel when you see someone appreciating your work, whether it's a custom t-shirt worn proudly or a mug that becomes part of someone's morning ritual. Your designs can bring joy to everyday life. If you have a flair for design and a dream to share it with the world, print on demand could be your canvas. It's more than a business, it's a journey of creative expression and connection. Take that first step, bring your designs to life, and watch as they find a place in people's hearts and homes. In our final exploration of automated business ideas, let's delve into the world of online property rentals. This is about more than just earning income. It's about creating spaces where memories are made, experiences are shared, and comfort is provided to travelers from around the world. Whether you own a quaint studio in the city, a serene cottage in the countryside, or any space you're proud of, platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com have made it easier than ever to connect with guests seeking unique stays. It's not just about offering a place to sleep, it's about offering a home away from home. As a host, the joy comes from crafting an experience. It's in the details, the warm welcome, the local tips, the thoughtful decor that turn a simple stay into a special one. Your empathy and care can make all the difference, creating lasting impressions and return guests. And don't worry, the process is user-friendly and straightforward. From listing your space to managing bookings, these platforms guide you every step of the way. The flexibility allows you to earn passive income while retaining control over your property and time. If you have a space you love and the desire to share it, consider stepping into the world of online property rentals. It's more than a business opportunity, it's a chance to connect with others and provide joy through your hospitality. Start your journey as a host today and open your doors to a world of possibilities. As we close this chapter of our journey together, I'd like to extend a heartfelt invitation. If these ideas have sparked a curiosity, a desire, or a dream within you, then our mission is accomplished. But this doesn't have to be the end of our journey together. If you found value in our series, please consider showing your support. A simple click on the like button lets us know that you appreciate our content. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It's a wonderful way to stay connected and join a community of like-minded individuals, all on their own paths to personal and financial growth. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos full of insightful ideas and inspiring stories. Each notification is a gateway to new possibilities, a chance to learn, grow, and be inspired. Your engagement, your ideas, and your journey matter to us. You're not just a viewer, you're a valued member of our community. Together, let's continue to explore, to dream, and to achieve. Thank you for being with us, and remember, the next step on your journey is just a click away.